Hello there, beautiful souls. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to dive into the world of relaxation and rejuvenation as we explore the incredible benefits of seaweed baths. So, if you're looking to treat yourself to the ultimate spa experience, because spa actually does mean water treatments, not just salon and beauty. Or if you're even considering a little DIY pampering at home, this video is for you. So if you ever wondered what seaweed baths are, here's all the details. What exactly is it? So picture this. You're nestled in a warm, soothing bath infused with nutrient-rich seaweed from the ocean, plants and juice from the ocean. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, it's not just a luxurious indulgence. A lot of people use this as treatment for psoriasis, treatment for skin conditions. There's some serious science behind the magic of seaweed. A lot of people eat seaweed as well. You can get like kale snacks and dried seaweed. You can take spirulina and all these algae and vitamins. So seaweed is a powerhouse of natural goodness. It's a superfood. It's packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that work wonders for your skin. From nourishing and hydrating to detoxifying and rejuvenating, the benefits are truly remarkable. And if you ever go for a seaweed bath, it's really high in iodine. It just makes you sleep. Oh my God, you fall asleep. You sleep like a baby after your first seaweed bath. Research has shown that seaweed contains loads and loads of minerals, like I said, such as iodine, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. All these can help promote circulation, reduce inflammation internally and externally on the skin, and your skin is incredibly soft. It's like sitting in a bath of moisturizer. If you put moisturizer and body oil all in one, like the juice from seaweed is just so soft and subtle. Your skin is amazing afterwards. Now, when it comes to enjoying a seaweed bath, we have options. So there's pros of indulging in a spa treatment in an actual clinic setting. Professional, you're going to have attention, top quality products, and the blissful ambience of a luxury spa. And everything's there set up for you, the right temperature, the right knowledge, the high quality products. So imagine being pampered from head to toe, completely stress-free. It's the ultimate self-care experience. You literally just lie back and relax. Sometimes it's combined with like a sauna treatment to open up the pores and heat up the body first, and then sitting in a warm bath and actual seaweed in it, either seaweed powder or actual seaweed. So if you're pressed for time or simply love the idea of a cozy evening at home alone, a DIY seaweed bath might just be your ticket. So if you go to the health food store, you can buy high quality seaweed powder, seaweed products, seaweed in a net that you tie over the faucet. So the experience of the comfort of your own bathroom might be more your thing. It's convenient, it's cost effective, and it still delivers that rejuvenating glow and a DIY spa self-care experience at home. Of course, the cons of the spa treatment, seaweed bath version, there's, for example, the cost of a professional spa treatment might not suit everybody. Going to the spa, getting childcare, the logistics of that. So there is the option to do it at home. But others find the preparation and the cleanup, and they mightn't have a bath. It can all be a bit daunting. However, the radiant, revitalized feeling you'll experience afterwards is truly priceless. It is worth the investment. So invest in yourself and try a seaweed bath the next time you can. So whether you're seeking a luxurious escape at a top-notch spa or craving a little self-pampering at home, a seaweed bath is a wonderful way to nourish your body. It's an easy way, a very direct way. It can nourish your body and nourish your soul. It's an opportunity to unwind, reset, recharge, and show yourself some well-deserved love. It's like drinking, your body will drink up this seaweed and drink up all the nutrients. So it's like taking a kale smoothie and having a spa treatment. So what are you waiting for? Treat yourself to a seaweed bath on your next spa day and let the healing power of the ocean work its magic. Why reinvent the wheel? The ocean has it all designed, perfectly balanced. It's magic. You deserve it. So one of your concerns might be like, how do you get into a bath with all this slimy gunk in it? It does look like that. It looks like, but the smell is really intense and the benefits just outweigh that initial like getting into that bath and the seaweed feel. But like I said, you can get it in powder form where it's just like putting in a bath bomb and it colours the water a little bit if you're that grossed out by the slimy feel. But honestly, it's worth it. It's so good for people who work out and do weight training because it's great for like your joints, and the heat of the water is great for muscle stiffness, and you're like adding all those good hydration and good salts back into the body. And I also found this company that I'll try link, the seafood company, Seaweed Food Company I think they're called, and they make skincare and you can order these baths to get at home. There's lots of companies out there as well. In Ireland we have a company called Voya as well. They're a very famous skincare brand, Voya, Voya. So there's just so much online that you could find if you want to get products at home. So good for skincare and anti-aging as well. Great for the body if you have eczema, psoriasis, any kind of dry skin conditions, because the balance of the moisturizer in the skin, seaweed, it soaks in so quickly. It's like the right proteins and the right minerals for the skin. It's a really well balanced, like that's why people eat it as well. Like the Japanese eat so much sushi. Why is that? Like, why would you argue with thousands of years of tradition? Like, they do it for a reason. People, if you look at patterns like that, history and cultures, they just don't do things willy-nilly. It's like the ancient, the Sanskrit and yoga and different traditions like that. So in Ireland we've had seaweed baths for years. They have bath houses all along the west coast. People forage and put seaweed in their cooking. They add it like salt. They add it onto their food like nutrition. So there's loads in Connemara. I'll try to link some down below as well. They have actual bath houses which are just specifically just to get seaweed baths. So yeah, the Irish love their seaweed. So thank you for listening. So thank you for joining me today. Remember to like, share, comment down below if you've had a seaweed bath, what type you use, if you have any products or links that you'd like to share. On this channel, it's all about sharing the feminine wisdom. I'm here about feminine, sisterhood, uplifting content. So until next time, and embrace the beauty of self-care. Thank you for listening. And if you like this type of content, you'll definitely like my beauty hood playlist. It has all other spa treatments like kind of dissected and what they're about and what to expect and all the benefits about them, some information about it. So it's from a spa therapist's point of view of what to expect and why you would get this type of treatment done, and encouraging you to try something different the next time you're in the spa, and to promote the treatments. And the real benefit lies in getting them more often. So share the feminine wisdom, and I'll catch you ladies next time.